Hi, and thanks for watching. My name is Anthony, and I'm a member of the patient support team. Before you send your sample back to the lab, I want to remind you what should go back in the box. When you're ready, please place the sample container and tube, both closed with completed labels attached, back in the box. Seal the bag and close the box. If there's an issue with the zipper, simply roll the bag down and tape it down. You can also use tape if there's a hole or tear in the bag. This will help prevent leaks. At this point, the empty bottle and bracket can both be recycled. It's that easy. There's even a prepaid return shipping label on the box for your convenience. Click the link above to find more about arranging a pickup or dropping a completed kit off with UPS. Thanks for watching.